Afternoon class. Please take a minute or two to just listen through this with me. There's a couple things I want to point out on what you need to get done today. Sorry I could not be there. I forgot to mention this yesterday, but I do have a funeral on Friday, so right now for you, but tomorrow for me. So these are the four things. Answer the questions on the Google form, and the Google form looks like this. It is posted in the Google class, so you'll have one linear pattern that you need to answer questions on, and which one doesn't belong. Multiple choice on which graph, really equation, I guess, but has a positive y-intercept, negative x-intercept, and then write the equations for these three graphs. Pretty self-explanatory. Second thing is complete the review packet. Review packet should come out from Mr. Thornell, and it looks like this. For these, you're just writing the slope for those lines, and again, you can do rise over run. You can do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Use that specifically for these ordered pairs. Same thing for these three, but also make sure you're doing your best to state what that rate of change means for those graphs. Write an equation here for these slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. State the slope and y-intercept for these equations and then graph them. Make sure you notice that number 2 and number 4 need to be rewritten a little bit. So you have to solve those for y before you can answer that information and then graph. Write the equation for these three. This question you can hold off on. If you want to give it a shot, great, but we'll talk about that on Monday. And then same thing here, 7 and 8. Do your best to answer these questions. But if you're a little unsure on 7 and 8, I'm fine with you holding off on those until Monday as well. So after you're done with the review packet, make sure you finish any outstanding problem sets that you haven't taken care of yet. Check those with the answer keys on the table. And finally, when you're done, you guys can play that game again if you'd like to. So here's the access code for 5th hour, so I'll look at who plays if you guys get that time, that opportunity. And then here's the access code for 6th hour. So again, get these 4 things done best you can. Google form first, review packet second, finish up any book work before you get into playing that game. Alright, hope it goes well, and I will see you all on Monday. Have a great weekend.